Hey guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can stop or end a recurring supplier invoice. To do it on accounting, we need to go to purchases, to bills, and here we need to click on second tab where is recurring templates. To stop particular recurring invoice, supplier invoice, so we need to hover above, so this is inactive. We can end by clicking on this icon, or if we edit, we can set an end date. For example, finishes on, and I can leave as on today and click save. Now this recurring template has been ended. So if I go to purchases, to bills, and click on my recurring template, okay, this is how you end also access to accounting software. Okay, so this is a way how you can cancel or end or stop your recurring supplier invoices. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my complete accounting tutorial as well as review of this accounting software. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out.